So hopefully everyone is good. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a digital marketer, trainer, professional, vlogger, blogger, and consultant. So today the question is, how can you increase your conversions at Google Ads? I know every majority of the people are using Google Ads for their business or product or service. They try traffic through Google Ads, and when you are trying to send traffic, but they do not perform according to your expectations, you get hurt. Like, I'm spending so much money, the conversions are not happening, I'm not getting the sales, I'm not getting the leads. Sales are not sometimes the obvious targets, sometimes the targets are the leads, sometimes you just want more traffic, you want more branding, or whatever your purpose is, or you want some app downloads, or you are doing retargeting, or whatever your purpose is, but you are getting disappointed because you wanted to get more conversions, you want to increase conversions, you want to improve Google Ads without spending more money. So this is going to be my video about. So my first strategy would be, the point where people are lacking is focus on your landing page. Remember, we are paying for each visitor to land on our website. I have been saying this again and again and repeatedly. I have said on many occasions, many places, we are paying for each visitor to land on our website. It means you need to focus on how the user reacts whenever he visits your website, where to get their focus on how much time they spend on logo, how much time they spend on memorizing the logo, and what portion of your website is being noticed the most, how lengthy your website is, where you are focusing with CTA, call to actions, what is your content, how it is pursuing or insisting the user to buy it out. These are the things you need to work out. Remember, you are paying for each visitor to land on your website. By advertising, you're spending money for each visitor to land on your website, and if that doesn't convert well, it means you are losing money. So you need to focus on landing page. This is the portion, people, they spend majority part of the campaign optimization, but if they do not focus on optimizing the landing page, they're going to lose it out. But second will be on focusing on product you are promoting. Is what is your USP, what is your unique selling proposition, what is your competitor USP. If you focus out, just be a guest and look on your website and consider, are you getting attracted through your website? Are you getting attracted through your product or service? If you do not get attractive or interested in the product or service, then how the other customer is going to be attracted on this? So you need to focus on your USP, optimizing your product benefits, features, or whatever you are doing it. And then my next will be removing on unnecessary keyword. The intent of the keyword is very important. If you search out, when I'm searching on what is iPhone, I need to know the intent of the user. By searching on what is iPhone, it is an awareness keyword. I want to know more about iPhone. I do not want to buy iPhone. I need to know the intent. So there is no purpose on advertising on what is an iPhone if you are only selling iPhone. You need to find the intent of the keyword, and you can do it through search keyword report, which is available in Google Ads, and you can through that shut down the keywords which you think are good for your website, and you can remove the other one by adding them on negative keyword list, so you get the maximum targeted traffic. My next strategy would be to keep on A/B testing of your ads. One ad maybe is working today, and one may not work well. People get bored, people want something new. You can focus on event-based marketing. You can target on events, Christmas, Black Friday, Eid. There are so many events you can target on, Holi, So you can focus on targeting events, and events, custom-based, theme-based landing pages for the events with custom-based offers, with custom-based ads, with custom-based keywords. It's going to work very well for you if you can focus on that. And then my next will be that to reduce your audience, reduce your target size. Rather making big campaigns, make small campaigns to find what is exactly working for them. But make a campaign based on one theme, rather adding people with multiple thinking on them. You may be confused on what do you mean by multiple thinking. I'm saying about the intent. The intent should be the same for every visitor. If you short down the keywords based on the intent, make a small campaign on each intent. Buy an iPhone is a different intent. Purchase an iPhone is a different intent. And iPhone deals is a different intent. Why? Because also the person who is searching iPhone deals want to buy an iPhone, but he's tight on a budget. He's looking for a deal. He is looking for something free with it. It can be hand free or discount or voucher or a Bluetooth set or anything. The intent is different, so we need to shortlist the intent, and it's going to work very well. And my next strategy will be, people spend money and money just to get the first ad position. First ad position doesn't always win. You need to figure out what ad position is working well for your business. It can be different for different business, so you need to figure out, depends on market segmenting, price ratio, what is your brand about. So if you are searching best pizzas in New York, and if you are not a best one, or if you are not expensive, or if you need to figure out what place works well for your business according to your pricing, according to your taste. So there are several factors which you may need to decide on. And my next strategy will be probably about retargeting, remarketing. Sometimes it takes multiple times to convince a visitor to take an action to buy a product or something. We often need to think multiple times before making a decision. So retargeting, remarketing, and focusing on existing customers or potential visitors who already know about your brand or product or service, or who may have already bought something from your website or product. They are much more likely to purchase again if their previous experience was very good. So doing a retargeting, remarketing can also improve sales. You can also focus on days, which days are working well for your business, which time is the working time for your business, which time you can get more sales, which areas are working well for your business. You can have different campaigns from area to area basis. Spending budget is not the main thing, but the other things can be convincing factor to make or break for your sales. So you can even hire me. You can have a personal consultation session with me, and I can look on how you can improve and get more conversions with Google Ads, or how you can improve your Google Ads. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching it. If you have any questions, do comment. Thank you, and bye bye.